Hello friends, I'm Nurse Dion. Today, we're going to learn about our stomachs and the sounds it makes. This is a stomach. A stomach is an organ that's in our bellies that takes the food that we eat and the liquids that we drink, smushes them, and mixes them with special juices that turns the food and liquids into energy to help us run and play. Now let's listen to the sounds our stomach makes. Our stomach can be pretty noisy. It makes a grumbling sound when food, liquids, or gases are moving through it. Sometimes we can even hear our stomachs when we are hungry. I wonder what mine sounds like. Well, that's the sound our stomach makes. I think my stomach may be a little hungry. I'm gonna grab a mango. Hey, cool. Thanks.